Housing is a fundamental necessity. A ban on renter evictions during the COVID-19 pandemic has been extended. Today, I looked into how it works. The CDC's eviction moratorium was going to expire Wednesday, but it's been extended 90 days until the end of June.
This applies to some renters, but not all. The main group of renters that it applies to are those who are behind on rent.
The Census Bureau found 8 million renters. An estimated 15% of all renters said they were behind. Andrew Newhouser is the managing attorney for the Tenant Assistance Project of Community Legal Aid. He says to invoke the powers of the order from the CDC, renters need to sign a declaration and give it to the landlord.
And that declaration says if the person earns less than a certain amount of money, has had problems making rental payments, but is making best efforts to find assistance through the community.
One of the requirements is that they make a good faith effort to find any rental assistance through MyCap or other community action agencies, which have been getting money to help from the CARES Act.
There is rent relief available, but it's not as easily accessible as it should and could be.
Nicole Klingemeyer belongs to the Mahoning Valley Real Estate Investors Association. It preaches communication with tenants, since that usually leads to working out a plan which can avoid eviction. Even the eviction moratorium does not forgive paying back all the rent.
Our worry is that when the moratorium is over, they're not going to be able to access the funds to pay their back due rent, and then where are we left?
Now, the money that renters get to help pay their rent is supposed to go to their landlord. By the way, if you're interested in getting that CDC declaration, I've posted the info for it on the WKBN app and website.